Warren Buffett's unparalleled investment performance and his willingness to share his secrets have made him a global celebrity. His annual letters to shareholders are eagerly awaited by everyone, from investment professionals to young savers across the world. Over the years, Buffett has been surprisingly open about his investment technique, business philosophy, failures, and shortcomings. However, there are some aspects of the investment world he doesn't touch on too often. Here are 3 investment truisms that Buffett or any financial professional won't readily admit. 1. Cheap stocks are cheap for a reason. Buffett's mentor Ben Graham pioneered the cigarette butt strategy of investing in stocks that were worth less than their book value. According to this early cohort of investors, some companies were worth more dead than alive, which made them irresistible opportunities for the value-oriented punter. However, this conventional wisdom doesn't always work out as expected. Some companies are unbelievably cheap only because they're on their way to becoming even cheaper and ultimately worthless. 2. Great stocks are rarely undervalued. On the flip side, it's extremely difficult to get a good price on a great stock. With interest rates at a record low and the number of good investment opportunities for stock pickers dwindling, the few remaining growth drivers are egregiously overvalued and are likely to remain so. Shopify, for example, has always been overvalued by conventional metrics. The company hasn't turned a profit yet and is still deploying hundreds of millions in expanding operations. 3. Debt isn't always bad. Warren Buffett has always been famously critical of leverage. He tends to focus on companies with low debt and substantial earning power. However, even he relies on some leverage to boost returns. The premiums generated from his various insurance companies effectively give him free leverage to bet on stocks. Of course, the average investors cannot hope for free leverage, but that doesn't mean they should shy away from all debt.